Go, buddy, go.
Hi, Keegan. Are you walking?
Yeah.
Pushing your car?
I'm Lightning McQueen. Nope, we're too far from that one. Let's go, buddy.
What?
Whoa, wowee. Almost 3 laps. We're almost there. We're on the home stretch. Here we go.
Say hi, Daddy.
Oh, goodness. Wow. Way to go, buddy. Way to go, buddy. Oh. Yeah, we
Done. Keegan. Keegan.
You want a drink? Would you like a drink? Oh, okay. You gotta put it in there? Yeah.
Oh yeah, lightning is ready.
Are you going to show Daddy, Grandpa, how to do it, and then show Daddy? There you go.
Oh. Walking that far, tipped over backwards.
You gonna push it? Good job. Keegan, you're pushing your car the wrong way. Got the kitty toy? Keegan. Okay, are you done? No, we're not pushing the stool. Keegan.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Lightning is ready.
Keegan.
Well, I'm wondering if we